Hey space enthusiasts, NASA is gearing up to launch its latest climate science mission, PREFIRE, aimed at capturing brand new data on how heat escapes from Earth's polar regions into space. Let's dive into the details of this exciting mission and what it means for our understanding of climate change. PREFIRE, or the Polar Radiant Energy in the Far Infrared Experiment, consists of a pair of CubeSats set to be launched into near-polar orbits. The first CubeSat, Ready, Aim, PREFIRE, is scheduled to launch no earlier than May 22nd from Rocket Lab's Launch Complex 1 in Mahia, New Zealand. The second CubeSat, PREFIRE and ICE, will follow a few days later. These CubeSats are designed to measure far-infrared radiation, which accounts for about 60% of the total heat lost from the poles. "We've never measured this before," says Tristan Lecuyer, PREFIRE's principal investigator from the University of Wisconsin-Madison. During a briefing on May 15th, Lecuyer explained that PREFIRE will help scientists understand how different features like clouds, moisture, and surface conditions in the polar regions contribute to heat loss into space. The Arctic is warming faster than anywhere else on Earth, leading to significant changes for local populations and wildlife habitats, as well as global consequences like rising sea levels. Ultimately, PREFIRE data will be integrated into our climate models, hopefully improving our ability to simulate future sea level rise and the impact of polar climate change on weather systems around the planet, said Lecuyer. Each PREFIRE CubeSat is about the size of a loaf of bread and contains thermal infrared spectrometers. Despite their small size, their cost-effective design and specific mission complement NASA's broader climate research efforts, including the larger surface water and ocean topography satellite. "NASA needs both our big missions and these small missions," says Karen St. Germain, director of NASA's Earth Science Division. "Think of them as specialists versus generalists, each answering key questions about Earth as a system." Each CubeSat is equipped with a single infrared spectrometer. Mary White, PREFIRE project manager at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, described these instruments as a miniaturized version of the optics system from NASA's Moon Mineralogy Mapper. This technology has been successfully validated in missions like the Mars Climate Sounder on NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and the Diviner Lunar Radiometer experiment on the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. PREFIRE is set to provide unprecedented insights into how heat escapes from Earth's polar regions, enhancing our understanding of climate change and its global impact. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking mission. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest space and climate news. See you in the next video. Goodbye.